It's a very difficult question to answer. What can inspire me suddenly? Sometimes the sound of the word, sometimes the letters used in a particular word, or is sometimes even just one letter. I'm combining two scripts. As far as pictorial form is concerned, it's my representation, my perception of things as I understand them, and I want to share. I want people to smile and be happy, joyful when they see my work, and there should be a sense of belonging.
From religious texts, royal correspondence, and artifacts to things of daily use, there is evidence of calligraphy throughout history. Its development has not just enhanced the processing of information, but it has also become a cradle for art and human ingenuity to write and express beautifully.
उस एक लिहाज से देखा जाए तो जो स्क्रिप्ट है वो और जो इवन हरूफ हैं, जो लेटर्स हैं, वो भी असल में एब्स्ट्रैक्ट हैं. हमने उनको नाम दिए हुए हैं, हमने उनको स्क्रिप्ट भी बनाया है, जो भी किया है. अगर हमें नहीं मालूम होता या किसी को नहीं मालूम है फॉर इंस्टेंस कि क्या है, तो उसको तो यही लगेगा कि ये बहुत खूबसूरत कुछ चीज़ है, मतलब अच्छे फॉर्म्स हैं, ये एब्स्ट्रैक्ट ग्राफिक फॉर्म्स हैं. लैंग्वेज भी एक तरह से देखा जाए तो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट ही है. तो इनका आपस में कितना मेल जोल हुआ, कैसे हुआ, क्या, तो ये पूरी एक बड़ी खूबसूरत, बड़ी फैसिनेटिंग एस्पेक्ट है.
Kamar Dagar is India's leading pictorial calligraphy artist and a firm believer in spontaneity. Surrounded by a family of distinguished Indian classical musicians, her kinship with her art is truly and deeply personal.
ये मेरे दोस्त हैं, सारे अक्षर जो हैं, इनको मैं पढ़ना शुरू किया, लिखना शुरू किया, मुझे तब से मैं इनको जानती हूँ. इनसे ज़्यादा मैं, बल्कि मेरे बहुत करीबी दोस्त हैं, उनसे भी ज़्यादा मेरी इनसे पुरानी दोस्ती है. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है इनके साथ अलग अलग कॉन्वर्सेशन करने में, इनके जानने में कि ये क्या करना चाहते हैं, तो लेट्स डू इट टुगेदर. उस लिहाज से तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है ये सब.
She mixes letters from two different scripts that are used in the Urdu and Hindi languages and then creates calligraphic imagery around them. Like this Urdu word, anjam or outcome, that's been depicted as a flower.
Like anjam has a adhana, or it can be a dot, ja, and then I have the jim, alif, I have the noon, and then you have the ma. So this is my art material. So like I have the paper, pen, ink, I have this as well. So I have quite a lot, right? And then it's like good fun to play around and see what can fit where and how.
With acrylic ink on her wooden columns or pens and brushes, she has created works that have been exhibited the world over. Once in her zone, her conversation with words and their pictorial illustrations through calligraphy is an ongoing process that is contemporary yet traditional.
My father, he said like you need to broaden your horizon. You have to go beyond what is apparent to you, what you can see around you, and you should be appreciative, you should be respectful. It better be different from what we have seen before. What I may have done differently is bringing together two scripts, and then that too in a pictorial form. That is definitely different.